Hi guys, today I'm showing you my recipe about spaghetti with black beans. Just I want to mention this is my first recording, which I didn't have any experience about making videos, so the quality of video was very low. That's why I tried to remove the sounds and add extra sounds by myself, so I really apologize for that, and I will try to make better qualities in future. So firstly, we start to cook the noodles and drain them. After that, we start for cooking the sauce. We add onions and we try to fry onion for 2 minutes, and after that we can add our garlics which we chopped before, and continue to mixing together. Then we add turmeric and black pepper, and then we add capsicum and mix and make it some free spaces in pan to fry the tomato paste. So when the oil became a little bit red color, it means your tomato paste is ready to mix with the other ingredients. So we mix them together and wait for the next step. And we add black beans which already we cooked, and gently we try to mix them with the other ingredients. After that we will add tomatoes and mushrooms and salt. Just I want to tell you, always remember, we add salt gradually and pepper gradually, maybe, and always we taste and make sure is enough. So after that we add boiling water to cover the ingredients and try to mix together and make marinated all together. Then we add smoked paprika and parsley and oregano, so makes our spaghetti very tasty, and also the taste would be smoky, so you will love it. And also we add, actually I added some chili powder as well, but it is up to you, it is optional. I like hot taste. From this point, we have only 15 minutes time to make ready our sauce, so it is very important not too much cook. So we leave it for 15 minutes with very slow cook. So now after 15 minutes our sauce is ready, and we should turn off the flame and go for next step. So in this step we put in pan all together, mix together the spaghetti sauce and the noodles. gently. We try mix the sauce with noodles all together, and still we taste, and if required we can add a little bit salt or pepper, anything if you feel you need to add, and reduce the flame for very slow cook and leave it for 10 minutes. Finally, our spaghetti is ready after 10 minutes. It is so yummy and spicy. I love it. I hope you can make it and enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. Have a good time. Goodbye.